Hey, what's up, guys? Excuse me, I forgot to give you a little sound clip. Nothing glorious, but sounds way better than stock, right? So let's check it out. So this is the polished side, right? That's just a Dremel. Some of this, you know, I use this polish on my knives. Yeah, I use a Dremel, a little scratch pad, and what do you call it? Steel wool, the 000 or quadruple zero. Now look at this side. That that pipe cleaned up pretty good on the other side. I'll show you. Ready? Yeah, see? Huh? What do you think? Pretty good. All right, here we go.